All right, so this customer had a clogged sump pump. That is a big open space to get to the bottom of that volute. You see all those rocks? I threw a couple more away, but the impeller was actually wedged and wasn't spinning. So it's freed up, it's rolling now. I'm gonna put them on a new check, like a heavy duty check valve, and get them rolling. They didn't have an anti-siphon hole. A good idea if you do a lot of these like we do is, a great idea is to take pressure male adapters, put your anti-siphon hole in there, and then have about 5 or 6 digits of shop, because that way when you do a sump pump, you just grab one of these to go. It's just quicker. If you've had a question about sump pumps or any kind of pump, call the shop and we'll hook you up.